Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another market report. 3Rivers area, March 12th, 2025. Looks like up arrows did beat the down arrows, but like I always say, people got to make moves. Houses sell every day of the year, but we watch the market just to make sure that we're letting you know what's going on today in the market, because the market's always changing. So, and different situations can mean different things for different people. Why we got to get together, do a consult free of charge, let you know what it means to you, and put together a game plan for you. So here we go with the numbers. I report, you decide. It looks like active available homes were down this week, down 8 to 507, down 2% week over week, but up 42% year over year. New listings were up 23% week over week, up 3% year over year. Solds were down 31% week over week, down 7% year over year. Pendings were up 39% week over week and up 25% year over year. Median sale price is a big number we've been watching because everybody's waiting for this crash that's going to happen, which we know there's going to be historically. There's evidence that there should be a downturn at some point. Typically, it's about every 7 years. We've been on a bull run for about 14 years because of the Great Recession. But remember, that was the biggest crash in history of 90 years of data since the FHA's creation back in 1934. So we're seeing median sale price came in last 3 out of 4 weeks. It's been down, showing depreciation. And we're seeing that again week over week. 233,950 was median sale price versus last year at this time was 250, showing about 6.4% depreciation. But over the last 12, we're still appreciating, showing about 6.3% appreciation over the last 12 months rolling. Days on market, the average slowed up a little bit to 45. It was 38 last week, but the median sped up down to 16 from it was 22 last week. But even with that 45 and 16, we're still faster than last year at this time. We're at 52 average, 24 median. The last 12 months, homes sold came in at 4,423, showing we're still up 4.3% over last year in homes sold, showing to have a balanced inventory of about 6 months inventory. We need about 2,211 homes. Remember, we have 507, so showing about 4.36 buyers per listing. So still tipping to the seller side right now. It's getting closer to being a balance. Technically, the beginning of a balance is about 3 months inventory, so about 1,100 homes. So we still have less than half of that right now. So still just under or around 2 months inventory, depending on whose calculations you're going by. And that is the market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.